Given problem statement is palindrome string. Input of the problem statement given a string yes, and output is string is a palindrome or not. You check already in number palindrome. A string, a palindrome means if it read the same forward and backward, it's written the same meaning, so it is called palindrome. Now a b b a, first we have to check in first in an first pointer and last pointer of the input statement, that is two, the two statement is same means almost they the input statement is palindrome. Then you have to check second pointer and third pointer, that returns same meaning means it is a palindrome, that is a b b a, it is a palindrome. Then we have to check a b c, you have to check first and last pointer. This is a, this condition will decide if this is a palindrome or not. This is not a palindrome because a and c is different. So if we write a b c is c b c, this will the output for this input statement, so it is not a palindrome. Let us check a palindrome or not in program. First we have to store the given string, that is string original. Original means variable for store the word madam, so we using original here. With original, in other words, original does not change the other meaning, so is original. Original is equal to madam. Then we have to reverse the madam, so we use reversed here. String we have to create a empty string, that this will store the reversed version of the original string, so we have to create empty string here. Now we assign loop value here, that is for int I equal to original length of, give the length of string 5, so length 1, last index 4, so we write original index, original dot length. Original length minus 1, because a loop start from last character and moves to first. Then we have to declare backward, that is I less than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. Now we use reversed equal to reverse plus original, because dot character at I get one character at index I, we can keep adding character reversed, so I. This I meaning is I is equal index number I is equal to 4 means it returns M, and I is equal to 3 means it returns A, and 2 means it returns D, mad, and 4 means Y. Every time we in this I check the condition with index number through madam. So we using I is here. Then step 5, um, if originals dot equals dot equal reversed, we have to reverse the original value, so you we use this condition is here. Then original is madam, then it reverse is also madam. Now we write output statement, that is string is palindrome else not a palindrome. Here is palindrome, not a palindrome. Now we run the code and see the result. Now we run the code, output is palindrome. We can change the value, that is cat. Not palindrome.